the best campus. Rush BA. There's no other option. Here's a couch. You can sleep there. You can study there. You can do your homework there. That's studying, same thing. Come here. So, I'm gonna go do some homework. You guys can go inside. I'll meet you in the patio. Bye.
Oh, hey! Hola! Fancy seeing you here. Welcome to Castle Holden. Come on. Right here we got our front desk and office area with our lovely Valen.
Hi!
Here you can get all the information you quite literally may ever need. So, go-to spot for sure. Adios! This way you'll see our main staircase and chandelier. Very beautiful part of Castle Holden, I think. Muy bonita. Shall we go upstairs? Let's go. Come on. Moving along, we have our cubby area. Everyone here in Castle Holden gets their own personal cubby where they can store stuff throughout the day. Gotta say, mate cup. Looking down here, we see our auditorium, which is where we have all of our group events.
Oh, hey, I didn't see you there. Welcome to the auditorium. This is where we hang out, play some music. We have our juntadas here, some of our tango, yoga, everything like that. But in general, auditorium is just a nice little gathering space where we can get more of our student body here to hang out.
And hey, if you're in the tango class, you might be dancing away in here as well.
Travis's office right here. Travis is our Buenos Aires coordinator, so he's in charge of pretty much everything that we do here, and he's definitely also another go-to person to help you out with anything you need. Vamonos! Let's go down to the beanbag room. My favorite spot.
First, we're gonna go through the third floor. Right this way is the in-program faculty housing. So the parents are here right now because those are our faculty. So if you ever need them for anything, you can find them up here. This way, we come back to the other set of stairs because there's two sets of staircases, so you'll always be able to find your way up. And we see Tati's office in here.
Hola, bienvenidos. Pueden pasar al balcón.
And this is the faculty lounge. Now that we've seen the third floor, there's even more. There's one more floor up, and now we'll go up there.
What's up, guys? We're on the 4th floor of Castle Holden. It's my favorite spot. Actually, in there is super cool too. We're out on the patio. We have a view of the city. Over here, there's ping pong tables, and here is the top, the kind of cupola. And the parents are underneath us, so you can have a game of ping pong here. You can call your family, and then if you sneak around this way, we're gonna go into the kitchen and a hangout spot. One of the best spots for a nap. We have a kitchen here, fridge, rice maker. You're allowed to use this space. I like taking naps. It's great. And then over here, through these doors, is the boom boom room, where you can have instruments, jam sessions. We have prayer nights here sometimes. This is our bathroom. This is my favorite bathroom in the casa. 4th floor is awesome. And for realsies, now we're going to the beanbag room. And we're going down 8,000 floors, but really just 4 to the beanbag room.
Okay, so right now we've made it to the best spot in the casa for sure. Beanbag room!
Oh, you made it to the beanbag room? That's awesome. There's no better place to hang out with your friends and take a nap on the state-of-the-art beanbags. Furthermore, you can also have fun with your friends writing on the walls. Look at all around you. Look at all this art. It's very beautiful. Just don't sleep for too long or you might get caught on PA sleeps.
I actually did like Daphne's drawing of La Boca. Josh's favorite drawing is his own of the panda. There's too many. If you follow me this way, we can see our communal kitchen. Now they're making
Coffee.
Coffee. What do we like best about
These.
the kitchen? This skylight.
Alright, well, let's go outside, guys. Man, look at the nature. It looks so good out there.
Hola! This is the patio. This is where we have asado. This is where we study. And it connects the two houses. And there's a pool over here. Just kidding. It's too cold to swim right now, but later. Let's walk this way.
where all our classrooms are, where the library is, where the kitchen is, and there's some rooms way upstairs.
Hey, welcome to Casa Cheros. This is my crib, so follow me.
So studying abroad. Very fun, we're going on travel trips all the time, but one important part of studying abroad is actually studying. So here, follow me, and let's take a look into our library. A few tables for discussion, possibly. This beautiful room, concha elevator. Este es la biblioteca. Libros.
Why is BA the best program?
Gets the best people, the people who are not afraid to really step outside of their comfort zone, and we also get the coolest people, because we aren't really, I don't know, there's really cool people in there.